All right, let's move quickly on this one. x1, y1, x2, y2, and then we get y2, 4, minus y1, 10, over x2, 3, minus x1, negative 6. Which simplifies out to negative 6 over positive 9, which you must simplify to negative 2/3. We have a slope of negative 2/3. Okay? So, point slope form, y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. I'm going to sub in these numbers. So we say y minus, our y1 term is 10, equals m is, slope is negative 2/3. X minus, well, the x term is negative, so if we're doing a minus a negative 6, that's the same as plus 6. That is point slope form. And of course, fun fact, we could have just as easily used the other form, or the other point, so I'll just do that just so you can see it. That would have been y minus 4, the y coordinate's 4, equals negative 2/3 x minus 3. Okay? And that would also have been a correct answer. So we can start there. Doesn't matter. We're still going to get the same slope-intercept form of the equation if we do it. Okay? And so let's use this one. Why not? And distribute through. And we get y minus 4 equals negative 2/3 times x is negative 2/3 x. And negative 2/3 times negative 3 is positive 2. Okay? Now we add 4 to both sides, and we get y equals negative 2/3 x plus 6. Slope-intercept form. I'm going to take that form, I'm going to put it up here so that I can manipulate it into standard form. How do we do that? Well, we see that the denominator here is 3. We need to clear that off by multiplying everything by 3. So we say 3 parentheses, whatever is there, equals 3 parentheses, negative 2/3 x plus 3 parentheses 6. Okay? And what does that work out to be? It works out to be 3y equals, the 3 and the 3 cancel out here, negative 2x plus 18. And when we add 2x to both sides and put the x's first, we get 2x plus 3y equals 18. And that is in standard form, and the a value is positive. So